In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit product URL in Squarespace. To get started, log into your Squarespace website dashboard and head to the main menu. From there, click on Products and Services and then select Products. This will open the list of all the products currently available on your site. Take a moment here to find the specific product whose URL you want to update. If you have a larger catalog, it can help to carefully scan the list so you make sure you're editing the correct item. Once you've found the product, click on it to open the product editor. This is where you can manage different parts of that product, including its content, settings, and marketing details. Since we're specifically changing the product URL, the next step is to go to the marketing section. Inside that area, look for the SEO and URL tab and select it. When you open that tab, you'll see the settings related to how the product appears in search engines along with the URL information for that product page. Now click Edit to make changes. This is the section where Squarespace allows you to customize the product's URL ending, also known as the subdirectory or slug. At this point, you can change the subdirectory of the product URL to whatever fits your needs. A good tip here is to keep the URL short, clear, and relevant to the product name so it's easier to read and more user-friendly. It's also a good idea to avoid unnecessary words or confusing characters. This can make your links look cleaner and may help with organization and visibility. After you've entered the new URL subdirectory, click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, the updated product URL will be active. That's really all there is to it. It's a quick adjustment, but it can be useful if you want cleaner links, better naming consistency across your store, or simply need to correct an older URL. And there you go. That's how to edit a product URL in Squarespace. As always, make sure to double-check the final URL after saving so you know it looks exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.